All of our Phantoms will provide you with results files containing your precious data once they've finished launching successfully. You'll find these files under the Files section on the Phantoms console page, right here. You have a few options when it comes to viewing your results. First, you can simply preview the file by clicking on it and scrolling through your data, all within PhantomBuster. If you've collected all the data you need, you can download the file from here to store it. If you set your Phantom up with repeated launches, you can view your files dynamically in Google Sheets. What you'll need to do is copy the link to the results CSV and take it to Google Sheets. Enter the import data formula, your CSV URL, and hit enter. Your results will appear automatically in the spreadsheet, and they'll also update every 2 hours. So now you know what to do when you have the results from one Phantom, but PhantomBuster really unleashes its potential when you start chaining your Phantoms. This is using one Phantom's result to power another Phantom, basically building an automation sequence. And it's super easy to do. Once you have the results from your first Phantom, just go to the setup of the second Phantom and click the My Phantoms button. Then choose the results file that you want to use as input. For example, say you wanted to collect the profile data for 10 CEOs. First, use the LinkedIn search export to collect these CEOs, and then chain it to the LinkedIn profile scraper to scrape the profiles. Or with Instagram, you can use the Instagram follower collector to collect all of the followers from a profile and chain it to Instagram autofollow to follow the profiles yourself. The possibilities are endless. For more ideas, you can go to the use cases section on our website and figure out how you can chain together Phantoms to achieve your goals. So, now you know how to make the most of those results files. It's over to you. Until next time.